If you go to sessionize/ash, you will see a detailed description of my background, including a letter of introduction, my resume, and 117 pages of where I've spoken at various conferences. You also see my Medium articles. One of the most interesting Medium articles is my first Medium article, which is how to build Jetpack Compose. And you actually had to build Android from source code to be able to use Jetpack Compose. So I've been doing Jetpack Compose for a long time. Another article, Modern Android App, details how we build a modern Android app with the latest Android architectural components. This is a very powerful architecture. As you can see in the video, if we just simply move the map, all of the components update. So this is a reactive declarative application built with Jetpack Compose and Kotlin flows. It makes for a very powerful application. Also gave a very early talk on the MVI architecture with the Android architectural components and Jetpack Compose. Moving on to the various companies, we have Hummingbird, which uses the sensors in the phone and artificial intelligence to tell you exactly when to microdose caffeine. And here we have some very powerful graphics to allow people to understand what's happening to them in their physiological state in real time. Next, we have Ashbike, which shows shared bikes on a Google map. And then we have RX Digita, which uses the camera to take pictures of the front and the back of your medications, and then use that information to have cyclic alarms on your medications. ZoeWear builds Wear OS apps using Android architectural components and Compose. And finally, we have GN7, which is a consulting firm that builds advanced Android applications using the Jetpack architecture, including Jetpack Compose. If you go to the projects on GN7, you will be able to see all of the various projects. If you click on any project, you'll see a little bit of description of the architecture and the video of the application running. Thank you.